At my house, a lot of little monsters live here. But I have a super pet that likes to catch them. His name is Robovet. He has 2 claws and a giant mouth. We like to go on monster hunting adventures. Look, he's going into a forest. Oh no, the monsters are trying to run away. Go, Robovet, charge! Shh, follow me. Oh, be careful. Good job, we did it.
Sweetie, I'm home.
Six, the most powerful vacuum that is both lightweight and cordless. It is ideal for cleaning all floor types, underneath furniture, stairs, and up high. It is engineered to generate powerful cleaning performance throughout your home. The small, light motor has been developed specifically by Dyson to deliver powerful suction. And at less than 5 pounds and with no cord, the machine is light and portable. The V6 vacuum easily converts to a handheld and comes equipped with Dyson engineered tools for cleaning in all areas of your home and car. With a quick release charging station and fade-free power, it's always up for quick cleans and extreme messes. It also can store attachments for easy access when you want them.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.